In this video we will learn how to change position strength in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Manpower budgeting module on top navigation bar. So here you can see open position form. Click on the Change Positions button to add a new request. Select the planning from drop-down. Next, select the required criteria to filter the position titles. Select the position title from drop-down and click on Apply button. Change the strength of position. Add a description before submitting the request. Next, click on a Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.